I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I think there's going to be a lot more volatility in the markets. I know, you wake up today, pretty much the only thing last time I checked, you had the price of Bitcoin up, and on my screen, I had the price of oil up. So I was just curious what oil was trading at, and it's up almost 8-9% right now. Obviously, the Strait of Hormuz was closed. That's going to, cause, the price of oil to kind of continue to go up more likely. And a lot of other asset classes are going to probably bleed out. The stock market last time I checked was down. Gold was down. So, it's something that I think we've been kind of waiting for. We've been talking about like these strikes on Iran and poly market for
Mhm.
weeks and months now, and it's I was kind of just waiting for it to happen. I'm no war expert. I don't want to get into the geopolitical reasons why, but Iran has some ties to China. They have some ties to Russia. And what I was saying to you before we even jumped on, I go, China's probably pretty ticked right now about how all this happened and what's going on. I could build a thesis around where they could sell some, U.S. Treasuries and buy asset classes like gold and something along those lines because they've been doing that for a while now, and I think they're a little ticked off on what's going on. But overall, I was surprised that we held this range.